Hey guys, it's David, pre-owned sales director at Truck City Ford out here in Buda. I want to come and let you know that many folks has come to us because we understand what we have to do to make you feel safe when buying a car or buying a truck. Open for business. We have plenty of inventory. Plenty of cars, trucks, vans, SUVs. For those that have given us an opportunity, we thank you for trusting us. For those that haven't, look and see what people's feedback is. We want to help in your purchase. TruckCityFord.com, Truck City Ford out here in Buda. Thank you.